Good morning, my name's Dr. Jeremy McAnulty from New South Wales Health, and I'm here with a COVID update for Thursday, the 20th of January 2022. In terms of vaccination across New South Wales, now 95.3% of people aged 16 years and over have received their first dose of COVID vaccine, and 93.8% have received 2 doses. Of people aged 12 to 15 years, 82.3% have received their first dose, and 78.3% have received 2 doses. Of children 5 to 11 years, 19.1% have received a first dose of COVID vaccine. New South Wales Health encourages anyone who's eligible to receive vaccination or their booster dose to book into a New South Wales vaccination clinic or another provider, GP or pharmacist, to get you a vaccine as soon as possible. It's the best way to protect yourself, your family, your loved ones and the community against COVID-19. In terms of hospitalisations, there are currently 2,781 people in hospital with COVID in New South Wales, including 212 in intensive care, 68 of whom require ventilation. There were 30,825 positive tests notified to 8 p.m. last night in New South Wales. This includes 17,647 positive PCR tests and 13,178 positive rapid antigen tests. Of the positive rapid antigen tests, 11,034 are from the past 7 days. In terms of deaths, sadly, New South Wales Health is today reporting the deaths of 25 people who had COVID-19, 16 men and 9 women, and we'd like to express our sincere condolences to the families and loved ones of these people who have sadly died. If you've been tested and tested positive for COVID and completed 7 days of self-isolation, you don't need a negative PCR or rapid antigen test to leave self-isolation or return to work. If you have a sore throat, runny nose or cough or shortness of breath in the last 24 hours of your self-isolation, please remain in self-isolation until 24 hours after your symptoms have resolved. And if you've got concerns about your symptoms, contact your GP. If you work in a high-risk setting, please, for the next 3 days, contact your work before returning to work to make sure that you've got a good safety plan. Please register your rapid antigen test. You'll get a text message from New South Wales Health confirming the end of your self-isolation period, but you don't need to wait for this text before you leave self-isolation if it's been 7 days since you were last tested and you are well. For more information on release, please see our website. So thanks very much, everyone, for coming forward, for getting tested and, importantly, getting vaccinated and getting those boosters to help keep us all safe. Thank you.